Morning everybody, Andy with JCast Manufacturing. We're out here on Drummond Island off of Michigan's Upper Peninsula. We're here for Jeepend 2018. We've got Big Red with me. It's our 07 Rubicon, 37s, lockers, Sprintec supercharger. We're gonna go out and see what this island's made of, what it's got to offer. We're gonna finish airing down here and we're hitting the trails.
Morning ladies and gentlemen to Drummond Island. This is Ken Farley, your trail guide and Jeep extraordinaire for the day. We're ready to have some fun at Jeepend 2018. Let's get a little wild.
So we're out here on the trails on Drummond Island. We'll just stop, take a little nice scenic view of Lake Huron here. We're gonna keep going. We're about halfway to Marblehead right now, and we're gonna get there here in probably the next hour or so and have some fun. Alright, so we took a little detour on our way to Marblehead. We stopped for lunch here. This is what's called Shale Beach. This is nothing but...
Oh, sorry. I got my sandwich in the shot.
Oh.
It's lunchtime.
So we took a little detour on our way to Marblehead. We stopped here at Shale Beach for lunch. Right now we're just grabbing a bite to eat and enjoying this beautiful view out here. Just take a look at it. I mean, pictures don't do this place justice. Video doesn't do it justice, but this place is absolutely incredible. All right, we made it to Marblehead. We're gonna test out our Jeeps and see what they'll do. man, what a great day on the trails. We got Big Red out there. We got her dirty. Stretched her legs. The coilover kit held up great. Especially over there's a lot of rocks out here and it's really bumpy, and that coilover kit really helps absorb a lot of that. Big thanks to Jeepend for inviting us out. We had a great time today. Drummond Island is a gorgeous place. There is tons of scenery. It's a great place to bring the family. Right now we're gonna go in, we're gonna get cleaned up. We're gonna head back over to the campground and enjoy some dinner and the raffle. Stay tuned, keep in touch with us on social media, and keep an eye on what we're up to.